Digital keypad operation instructions. DG187 wiring diagram. Connect keypad positive. Connect keypad negative. Connect lock 1 positive. Connect relay 1. Connect relay 1 to lock 1. Connect PB1 and GND to exit button 1. Connect read and GND to lock 1. Connect alarm system positive. Connect tab to alarm system. Connect lock 2 positive. Connect relay 2. Connect relay 2 to lock 2. Power on status standby status. DG185 is designed with piezoelectric keypad, so it's also operable when you wear gloves. 7 beeps. The light turns blue, and keypad enters standby mode. Enter programming mode and add user code. Enter master code twice and light turns yellow. Enter programming mode. Press 001. Press star key. Enter new pin code. Press 002. Press star key. Enter new pin code. Press 003. Press star key. Enter new pin. Press 004. Enter pin. Press star key 4 and then press 01. Green light means the slot position is available. Press pin code. After programming is completed, press pound key to exit programming mode. Programming succeeds. Setting relock time. Enter programming mode first. For relay 1, press star key 1, and enter 01 to 99 to set relock time. For relay 2, press star key 5 and then 00. Press pound key. Latching mode means door opens after you enter pin code, and door closes after you enter pin code once again. What is anti-tailgate function? Door opens and locks. No time left. This can prevent tailgating. Change master code. Enter programming mode. Press star key 3 and enter new master code twice. Press pound key. Old code is invalid. Master code has been changed to 7890. Reset master code. Turn off power. Turn on power again. LED flashes green and then press pound key 5 times. Master code has been reset to factory default value 1234. Anti-tamper alarm output. DG185 keypad has a light tamper sensor. This light sensor detects keypad vandalism and activates anti-tamper alarm immediately.
Turn off anti-tamper alarm function.
Enter programming mode. Press start key 601. Anti-tamper alarm function has been disabled. Turn off lockout function. Enter invalid 20-digit code and keypad will be locked out for 60 seconds. Enter programming mode. Press start key 701. Lockout function has been disabled. Change the master code length. Enter programming mode. Press start key 904 and then 5 to set code length as 5 digits. Keypad sound 7 beeps and all user codes are deleted. Master code is changed to 12345. Delete all user codes. Enter programming mode. Press start key 888. Keypad sound 7 beeps and all user codes are deleted. Delete all user codes and reset master code. Enter programming mode.